Hello.
It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages. It's all about Ghanaian languages, Junior.
Hello, good morning, and welcome once again to this channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from Salt Pond. There's a nice mountain here where I decided to come to bring you today's lesson. And in Ghana Basis 5 previously, we learned very essential vocabs in the Ghana language. And in this lesson, we are going to learn more essential vocabs in the Ghana language. So we are delving deeper. We are still on the Ghana basics and we are compiling more. Well, this is a very natural ecological zone, so there are birds and animals all around. So some of their sounds may be in the video, and it will help to calm your mind. So the important announcements will come to the end of the video, so some will be rolling on the screen. So I'm not going to talk much. When I'm done, then I'll pass all the important announcements. But basically, there are books also which I've published, and if in case you need access to either the Ga English or the Dagbon English, just contact me using either email or WhatsApp, and then you will get it. But sometimes WhatsApp is faster. I'm faster on WhatsApp. Alright, so without wasting too much time, let's just begin. Let's learn how to say I will eat in Ghana. I will eat is said as mayeni. Mayeni, that is I will eat. Don't forget I'm on a mountain, so if in case you see the mist, and maybe a curvature, just know that I'm on a very high hill. So as I'm sitting, I'm looking down on the camera. It's like the camera is down this way. So if you notice any curvature or something, just pardon it, but I chose this place. I always now want to bring variations to the videos. I just don't want it to be at one place. I want to bring variations. Alright, so I will eat is mayeni. Mayeni. Remember, I told you to learn Ghana future pronouns in Ghana Basics 5. So if you had studied the Ghana future pronouns in Ghana Basics 5, then this one should be easy for you. If you haven't, please do what to study it. You will eat is obayeni. Obayeni. He or she will eat is ebayeni. Let's learn how to say I will buy something. That is said as maheni. Maheni, I will buy something. Obaheni, you will buy something. Ebaheni, he or she will buy something. So buy something is said as hemoni. Hemoni, that's buy something. Now, how would you tell someone I am buying something? Maheni is I will buy. Miheni is I am buying. Miheni is I'm buying. Oheni, you are buying. Eheni, you are buying. And this brings me to Ghana short movies too. There's a movie on this channel, a very short movie to help you practice your Ghana, and it is on buying something in Ghana. So you will see it rolling on the screen as well as in the description box below. So please do what to, after this lesson, Ghana short movie too. How to buy things in Ghana. So that one is very practical. You will see two women engaging in a conversation with subtitles in both, I think, English, German, French. So as they are communicating, speaking real Ghana, then you tend to also watch the subtitles to practice how it's spoken. So we can move on. Someone comes to you and the person says miheni or maheni. You ask the person, many or here? Many or here? We've learned the use of many in Ghana Basis 5. So many or here, what are you buying? Many or here, what are you buying? What is he or she buying? Many a hill. Many a hill. What is he or she buying? Many a hill. Okay, and don't forget, please means oh fine. And the I beg you is make bubble five. So oh fine many oh hill. Or oh fine many oh buy here. Oh fine many buy means please what will you buy? Oh fine many buy here. And oh fine many here is please what are you buying? Okay. Let's look at this word. Few. Few. Few means a little. Okay, a little. That is few. Then we have few, just a little. So maybe give me a little. Hami few. Then hami few, give me just a little. Me few. I'm buying a little. Me few, I'm buying just a little. Oh few. Oh few, so you know the meanings. Okay. Then we have kra. Kra means not at all. So maybe imba. Imba means I'm not coming. So imba kra, I'm not coming at all. Inu, we learned this in Ghana basis too. So inu means I don't hear. So inu kra, I'm not hearing at all. Enu kra, she's not hearing at all. Worry kra. Worry kra, we are not talking at all, or we are not in talking terms at all. So you get it. Then we have sang. Sang is more like enough or quite enough. So maybe inwaga sang. I understand Ga quite enough. I understand enough Ga. But our enough goes to the end. So literally I understand Ga enough. Or I understand Ga quite enough. So inwaga sang. Onwaga sang lo. Do you understand quite enough Ga? Remember we've learned how to ask questions in Ga. So that's Ga basis 5. If you use the playlist, okay. Asking basic questions in Ga 1. Asking basic questions in Ga 2. Okay. Yeah. So the lo is in the asking basic questions in Ga 2. Okay. Efe sang, he did it quite enough. Efe sang. Efe sang. So maybe you want to tell someone I understand. You say ino shishin. I understand or understand it. Ino shishin. Ono shishin lo. Do you understand it? Ono shishin lo. Eno shishin lo. Does he or she understand it? If you are confused about the lo, please go back and revisit asking basic questions in Ga 2. Okay. Yeah. I'll let it roll on the screen as well, so you can easily click on it. Then we have this word slamo. Slamo. Slamo translates as visit. So slamo me, visit me. Slamo le, visit him or visit her. Slamo wo, visit us. Slamo. Me sla, I'm visiting. Me slagbo, I'm visiting a stranger. Bo eba slami, a stranger came to visit me or a guest came to visit me. Bo eba slami. Let's go back to our neke and nakai. And this I'm going to say neke ni ne. Neke ni ne. More like this thing. Or this particular thing. Neke ni ne. Then that particular thing we say it as nakaini. So please take it as it is. Don't try to understand why we say nekeni ne, but we don't say nakaini ne. We say nakaini. Just accept it as it is. So nekeni ne. So ko nekeni ne ohami. Take this particular thing for me. Ko nakaini ohami. Take that thing for me. So when it's neke, we say nekeni ne. When it's naka, we say nakaini. Yeah, just accept it. Don't try to maneuver your way to understand it, because it will confuse you. You want to tell someone we are done. We learned in the previous lesson that the end is nagbe. Nagbe. Now we are going to flip it and say workbena. We are done. Workbena. You will understand more of this when you study Ga verbs. There are 10 Ga verbs lessons. Ga verbs 1, 2, 3, up to 10. When you start from 1 to 10, you are going to understand how we form verbs in Ga. Okay, that lessons are already on this channel. So workbena, I'm not going to go deeper in this. Workbena means we are done or we finished. Then we have imiefu, I'm angry. Imiefu. Then omiefu, you are angry. Emiefu, he or she is angry. So maybe ni miefu, ni is angry. Na miefu, na is angry. Okay. Omi ekafu, don't get angry or don't be upset. Omi ekafu. Then we have info odang, I won't mind you. Info odang. Fo edang means mind him or mind her. Fo edang. So info odang, I'm not minding you or I won't mind you. Ofo in down, you are not minding me or you won't mind me. And you want to say careful it down, don't mind him or don't mind her. Careful it down. So if somebody is getting on your nation like don't mind him or don't mind her, careful it down. Or info down, I'm not minding you. Or I'm not giving you attention. Info down. Alright, let's move on. Okay, we've learned imiefu, omiefu. So what of anger? Anger is mifu. Mifu. Anger is mifu. And you want to say, be careful. You say, kwemo ohe no ojugban. Kwemo ohe no ojugban. Be careful. Kwemo ohe no ojugban. Be careful out there. Kwemo ohe no yejeme. So yejeme, literally over there. Kwemo ohe no yejeme ojugban. Be careful out there. Okay. Me kwe ihe no ojugban. I'm being careful. Me kwe ihe no ojugban. I'm being careful. O kwe ohe no ojugban. You are being careful. Then we have pepe. Pepe means exactly. So exactly that you say nakan pepe. Then exactly this nakan pepe. Okay. Now let's introduce this short adverbs and then we move on. So we have wa, pakpa, and then dienche. So maybe onuogan wa. You understand gan a lot. Wa means a lot. You understand gan a lot. Then pakpa is really. Pakpa and dienche means really. So onuogan pakpa, you really understand gan. Or onuogan dienche, you really understand gan. So you can use the pakpa and dienche interchangeably. But wa means a lot. So you eat a lot. Oyoni wa. All these are in Ga verbs. So you can just search Ga verbs 1 to 10, understand it. And then there's an article on the historicalhuniah.blogspot.com where there's a continuation article to explain Ga verbs better, to summarize everything. That's a written article to help you understand. So, Onuo Gawa, you understand Ga a lot. Onuoga Pakpa, you really understand Ga. Or Onuoga Dienche, you really understand Ga. So please, you get it. If you want to tell someone it looks good on you, you will say esabo. Esabo means it looks good on you. Okay. So atade is a shirt. So atade esabo, the shirt looks good on you. Atade esame, the shirt looks good on me. Esabo, it looks good on you. We also use it sarcastically. If maybe you are saying a lie and I know that what you are saying is a lie, I wouldn't tell you directly that you are lying. I'll just say esabo. It looks good on you. So automatically when I say that, then you know I'm trying to tell that you are lying. Or I can even say esabo dienche. It really looks good on you. That means to say you are a good liar. Okay. Let's move on. We have this word, nami. Nami is see me. Nami, see me. Nami ebia, see me here. Me nabo, I'm seeing you. Ba nami, come and see me. Ya nale, go and see him or go and see her. Ya nale. I hope you are getting it. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop in the comment box below. And also do not forget to share to reach more people. Okay. Yeah. Let's learn our final word for this lesson. That is kuku. Kuku means short. So baby, cat is short. Fole kuku. Fole kuku. Cat is short. Gbomo kuku. Short human or short person. If you want to say it is short, you say kukuni. Kukuni. Or sometimes we say kukubo. Okay, kukubo is more like cat is short. So sometimes instead of saying fole kuku, we simply say kukubo. Kukubo. So maybe I'm talking, I'm like, you are talking too much. Kukubo, fole kuku. Okay, so kuku. Do you have any questions? Do well to drop it in the comment box below. As usual, my name is Huniah, and if you want me to teach you privately or translation services, I teach Ga-Dangme 3. Hausa lessons are also available. If you want and Guan languages, any other inquiries, you can just contact me and I'll be glad to assist. If you want either your Ghana English books or Dangme, or you want some articles to supplement your lessons, contact me and I'll get them for you. If you want to learn about the Ghana culture, places to visit, I can gladly help you. Yeah, and without much all I say is thank you very, very much. Catch you in the next lesson, Ghana Basis 8.
It's Genesis on the beat.